In an election between two candidates, first candidate receives 55% votes and wins by a margin of 1000 votes. Find the total number of votes. Now, such kind of questions you can do by two methods. First, by assuming the total votes as 100, and the second, by assuming the total votes as x. Obviously, the answer would be the same from both the methods. So we'll check both the methods right now. Now let's assume the total votes as 100. Now the first candidate, let's name him as A. He got 55% votes. So that he means he got 55 votes. Now there are only two candidates here. The total votes are 100. First one got 55 votes. So the second one will get the remaining votes, that is 45. That means we can say that A won the election by 55 minus 45, that is a margin of 10 votes. Now, we got a margin of 10 votes, but in the actual question, it is mentioned it is 1000. So 10 corresponds to 1000. Now, 10 is the margin when the total votes we have assumed it as 100. Now, we want to find out the total votes when the margin is 1000. So this becomes a direct proportion. So now we can cross multiply and get the answer. You will get the answer as 10,000. The second method is by assuming the total votes as x. So total votes are x. First candidate receives 55% votes. That means he will receive 0.55x votes, and hence B will receive the remaining votes, that is 0.45x. Now the margin of victory will be the difference between A and B, which comes out to be 0.10x. Now this margin is given to us as 1000. So 0.1x equal to 1000. Therefore, x comes out as 10,000. So that's your answer.